Namaste. This is the class of pharmaceutical analysis and today's topic is titration. Let's start. What is titration? A titration is a technique where a solution of known concentration is used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Typically, the titrate, the known solution, we can call it as titrant, is added to a burette to a known quantity of the analyte. The unknown solution is known as analyte until the reaction is completed. Okay. So the process of determination of strength of unknown solution by the process of adding standard solution with help of burette is known as titration. So in this we can know about the strength and the quality of the unknown solution by known solution. Okay, this process is known as titration analysis. So normally there are four type of titration: acid base titration, redox titration, precipitate titration, then complexometric titration. So let's start. This is titration of strong acid with weak base. So suppose our analyte is hydrochloric acid and titrate is ammonia, which is a weak base. If we start plotting the pH of analytical against the volume of ammonia that we are adding, but the burette, we will get a titrate curve as shown below. So you can see here the titrate curve what we get. That point is known as equivalence point, where we get a proper and equal titrant. So in this the HCl is added at analytic and NH3 is titrant. So by this is the burette, and you can see NH3, which is a titrant, means titrant is the known solution. So NH3 is the known solution and HCl is NLA, which is unknown solution, which means the quantity we don't know about the HCl, so we are titrating it. Okay, so next is titration curve of a strong acid with a weak base. Point 1 in this is no NH3 added yet, so the pH of the analyte is low. If predominantly contain H3O from dissolution of HCl. HCl plus water give H3O and chloride. So diagram of solution transformation prior to titration: as NH3 is added dropwise, H3O slowly start getting consumed by NH3. Analyte is still acidic due to predominance of H3. As NH3 is adding dropwise to H3O slowly starts getting so in this you can see the reaction. Next reaction you can see, as NH3 is added dropwise with H3O, so slowly start getting consumed by NH3. Analyte is still acidic due to predominance of H3O ion. So in this diagram of solution transformation as titrate begin. In point 2, this is the pH recorded at the time point just before complete neutralization take place. Point 3, this is the equivalence point. At this point, mole of NH3 added equal to moles of HCl in the analyte. So you can see this reaction. In this reaction, the you can see the red color, so make the solution acidic at the equivalent point. So we get this curve in this. So this in this the green line show the strong acid weak base and red line show the strong acid and strong base. Next you see this curve. In this the rapid fall of pH to start, but the rate of fall slowed down. So equivalent point, we are getting this equivalent point. Then because you have got a weak base, the beginning of curve is obviously going to be a different. However, once you have got an X side of acid, the curve is essentially the same as before. So no, you notice that the equivalent point is now somewhat acidic because pure ammonium chloride is not neutral. However, the equivalence points still fall on the steepest bit of the curve that will return out to be point in closely a suitable indicator for titration. So here we have completed this video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.